Have you ever felt overwhelmed by all the complex course creation advice out there? 3-point lighting setups, expensive video gears. Well, I'm here to tell you that creating engaging course videos doesn't have to be a nightmare. In 2008, I created my first online course using a free screen recording tool and a simple earphone mic. I narrated my course slides, and that's it. No fancy camera, no complicated editing. Let's break down a simple, low-tech approach. The truth is, you can create high-quality course videos without any of that. Here's how I did it for my first online course in 2008. Instead of a fancy camera, I used free screen recording software. This captures your computer screen activity, perfect for presenting slides. A good audio quality is crucial. I used a simple headphone mic for clear voice recording. Instead of fancy editing, I prioritized content. I created clear slides and wrote a script to ensure my delivery was engaging. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. Here's what you can achieve. With a well-written script and clear delivery, you often won't need extensive editing. Simply trim unnecessary sections at the beginning and end, while B-roll or supplemental footage adds polish. It's not essential initially. Focus on your slides and narration for a clear and concise presentation. Today, we have even more user-friendly options. Tools like FlexClip or QuickTime Player for Mac allow you to record your screen and audio. This simplifies the process further. So, what are you waiting for? With a little planning and the right tools, anyone can create impactful course videos. Do you have questions about low-tech course creation? Leave them in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.